Buenos dias!
Why'd you wake me up?
Because today is a special one. So here we are. Welcome everybody to another bagong gising unboxing with me, Bea B.
And me, Jackie T.
What?
What are we unboxing today?
Today we are unboxing something very unexpected.
Unexpected pa talaga.
Yes.
Ano to? How do you pronounce that?
You say this as Loewe.
Not low?
Loewe.
Hindi yan low?
Hindi. Full bottom jeans, boots with the fur. This is a brand from Spain, and it actually has a store in Shangri-La. Tapos, we just wanted, well, I just wanted to look at it.
Yeah, don't drag me into it. Don't say we.
And yet, a purchase has been made!
Kinuha mo from Loewe Vuitton.
This is a bag that has been on my wish list. Here you go, we have the giant paper bag. It is white and almost cardboard. It also comes with a nice little ribbon with their logo, if that means anything to you. And here it is, friends, the box. The name and the logo on the side. The front comes with this pull tab to open. Dust bag! Sorry! Nagulat ka.
Ang gulo mo.
This is a solid box, man. This is thick. So this is what the dust bag looks like. It's just plain cream color with that little logo on the side, that very squiggly Loewe logo. I don't know if this is just for me, pero parang opinion ko, it smells like a horsey. I grew up with a
horse?
With a horse, actually. We had a farm, and this is what the horses smelled like. Not sure if I like it. So sa store, tinali nilang ganito yan. Just give a little sneak peek of the color. Did you see it?
Parang
Go closer. Go closer.
Sobrang sneak peek naman
Okay,
yun.
ready? And
Parang wala ka naman may kikita dun eh.
let's bring it out. My very first Loewe puzzle bag.
You just like officially drained all of my energy. You look like a crazy person.
So this is the Loewe small puzzle bag in mink and sand. This is actually one of their classic colors. It's been around for quite a while, and I understand why. It's a two-tone. There you go. You see these two colors. We have this darker kind of brownish type over there, and then we have this lighter shade, which is kind of tan but also kind of gray.
You look at it, the different color. It starts here and then it just goes all the way there. It tracks the patterns. Are these the patterns? The puzzles?
Yeah, because the other bags, they only have like one uniform color. So, kunyari the caramel. So, these parts of the puzzle are caramel. Pero yung gitna niya din, yung mga connecting lines are caramel also. So, it's just one uniform color. I like that. These are two colors. Give it a little more depth. Knocks. It also comes in the soft grain calf skin. So, pag prines mo siyang ganyan, hindi siya madaling malukot. The ladies at the store said just follow the lines of the puzzle and it will flatten.
So that's what you do when you want to fit it
Yeah.
in a small space.
When you're traveling or something, you can flatten it like that. It is pretty flat, right?
Uy, gusto ko tong gawin sa lahat ng bag mo. Lalo na sa mga Chanel.
Oh my gosh! But if you bring it up, kind of pat it around, it'll go back to its original shape.
Bakit ganun?
Oh, because it's amazing! You have a very short handle over here. And then, basically, you have this little flap, which you open up, and that is where your zipper is. Ooh, main compartment.
What?
The back also has a zipper, which also follows this geometric design. It's so gorgeous, you guys. It's actually quite a deep zipper. And it's not in a triangle shape, in case you're wondering.
Oh, okay.
My finger is over there, so it's a reasonable amount of space. Pwede yan pang pera, or cards, or something. If you look closely here too, we even have a logo at the end of the zipper. Grabe ganda. Also on This side of the flap, you've got our logo stamped. I like that it's just stamped with no extra color. Kasi yung mga ibang bag nila parang may puting logo.
Yung brown.
Oo. Pati yung black. Puti yung logo niya. So I like this one. It's a lot more subtle and, you know, if you know, you know. Although I'm sure you know because they're the only ones with this funky shape. Once you open this up, it actually has an extra dust bag. Ayan yung tag with the price. It's mahal. Meron din siyang extra strap. So, maganda yung strap niya. Nilalagay mo siya dito sa gilid. It is a nice gold hardware. Very solid. And it has a little Loewe's over there. Can you see? Can you see?
Loewe.
The back also has the logo. Very
And gold.
cool. And obviously this strap is adjustable. Let's put it. Ooh! Yung edges niya, hindi siya... Do you see? It's not just a straight square. It's like it got twisted. Can you tell?
Baka it's damaged.
No, it's not the damage! Design yan!
Oh, so you didn't know that before?
Yeah, I didn't actually know that that was a thing. I just realized when I was trying to put this on. So, I'll put it on the side. And beauty! Ah! Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. Inside, you get one giant compartimento. And the side, you have one pocket with some, what is this? Care instructions. And also your certificate. You also have a nice leather logo here at the back.
Made in Spain. Saya mo
Okay, here is the when worn. I chose the small size because I feel like it's the most proportional to me. This is a small and I'm wearing it right now crossbody, which I think is not the way to go. It is a bit chunky. What you think?
So how are you supposed to wear it?
I would wear this on my shoulder like this. This is on the tightest setting of the strap and it looks perfect on my shoulder. I would also hold it here on the shorter top handle. Has a very interesting top handle, no? Diretso lang siya, hindi yung parang twink. I guess if you want to wear this crossbody, you're going to have to adjust it. So I took it out. If I put it on the last setting, it would end there. Actually, perfect siya dyan. She's not falling off my shoulder. Oh! Oy, in fairness.
Ang gulo.
Hindi siya nahuhulog. And also, quality is so amazing because for a full leather bag, it is so light. It has nothing inside, but pero sobrang gaan niya. Like, feels like nothing. I can fly. We bought this at Shangri-La Mall. In their new wing where all the fancy luxury bands are, and dun lang yata may Loewe na store sa Philippines. Huge shout out pala sa store nila because all of their salespeople were so accommodating and nice. Even if Jack and I were there for like an hour, joke. We were there for a long time.
Actually, ko lang yun there for a long time. Ako parang I was there for like 10 minutes.
Because I couldn't decide on which color, this one or the caramel. They were both so beautiful. And if I had unlimited money, I would have bought both.
Wala akong alam sa mga bag. Pero maganda.
And this was Jack's Park birthday gift to me. Aww.
Layo pa ng birthday mo eh.
First one from Loewe, hopefully not the last. Just kidding. Because the hammock bags are also quite amazing. But we'll get to that soon.
So you could also visit the store if you want a bag like this. Apart from the staff being nice, they also have pretty good payment options and arrangements. So you could explore that.
Meron pa silang every 6 months free cleaning.
Yeah. Yun. Every 6 months, the lady said, diba, you can bring it there and then they will clean it for you.
Yeah.
Using the special Loewe leather cleaner,
Oh, something
whatever.
like that.
Yeah.
May special cleaner sila na hindi daw pwedeng iba, kailangan yun. So I guess we will be in Shang every few months. Obviously, I'm giving this a 10 over 10 and I haven't even worn it yet. You are beautiful, you're my new baby. Anyway, that's all the time we have for today.
So if you like the review and if you like Bea doing a bit more unboxing of stuff, please like, comment, and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video.
We'll see you next time. Peace and love. Bye!